Hey folks, oh my god, my elbow's ashy. But anyways, welcome to my closet. It's a mess. It's a total mess. Look at it. When I was looking for apartments, one of the things that I thought that I was going to care about is closet space, which I do care about, but everything else in the apartment that I chose was perfect except the amount of storage. Like, this closet is so small, but it's helped me realize that like I don't need as many clothes, especially with like quarantine going on. I'm not actually really going anywhere. I don't need all the clothes I have. So I'm thinking about going through every little thing and having a talk with myself.
Simone, when's the last time you worn this? Do you actually really like this, or were you buying this like to match it with something that you never actually bought?
Pretty much, do you need this stuff? A lot of the times I think the answer is going to be no, but we're about to see. So I'm gonna go through everything. These are my shoes, some of my shoes. I also have some shoes down here, like over there. But this here is just like a mixture of clothes. Well, over here, these are my towels, like sheets and stuff. It's actually empty. I have laundry to do, but everything else is just like clothes with no organization. Over here, these are my jeans, like, and pants and shorts and stuff. I definitely want to organize that. And down here, this is just like sweatshirts, like zip jackets, like crew necks, athletic stuff, like thick sweatshirts. These are like collared zips, but not full zips. And these are scarves. Like, you can't even like see this stuff. And then down here is like cubbies for like first aid stuff. Some tools are in this one. And then over here, like hats. And here's a better look at my shoes. I don't really have that many shoes, but this is like, those are the shoes I wear most over there. Also, since it's cold, I've been wearing my coats, and I don't even have room to put my coats anywhere. They're so big, they don't fit in my closet because it's so tight in there. So I've just been like throwing them on my bed. So up here you'll see I have my purses. These are just like ones that I want to keep in dust bags. And these are like other winter clothes that I haven't even been able to pull out because there's no room. Okay, so I went to Ross earlier, and what did I get? And I got 2 sets of under the bed storage things, and I'm thinking like once I take everything out, I'm gonna put them in these things. I got 2 of them, so I have 4 total. One's black, one's gray, but it doesn't matter. They're gonna be under my bed. But I'm gonna put the clothes in there, and then another day I'm just gonna start posting things on Poshmark. I want to try Poshmark out. I've used it before, like maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and only sold like one thing, but I've been watching a lot of videos that kind of explain how you can make your Poshmark more marketable, I guess. Okay, let's get started with sorting. Okay, 2 things you need to cope with like the fact you're about to throw away money and memories: music and a nice healthy drink.
Okay, I have finally finished my closet. It's a total mess. Finally finished my closet. It's a total mess. Look. Okay. You good? Okay. This is the huge pile of clothes that I just went through that I plan on putting on Poshmark. I have a smaller pile behind me that's clothes for Goodwill. I just found this Juicy Couture sweatshirt that I got on sale from the Juicy website one day, and I have never worn this, forgot I even had this. This will be on Poshmark. This will be on Poshmark. So will this. So will this. I'm like exhausted just looking at everything. I'm realizing all the work I'm gonna have to do in a second when I have to go sort these for real. I started off folding everything, but after a while I was like, taking too long, boom, just throw it on the floor. So I'm gonna go out of my living room where I have more room, and I'm gonna like organize everything into these 4 bags. Okay, I'm actually done for real this time. Now I just need to figure out what to do with all of these hangers. I have no idea where to put them. It's like probably 100 hangers, it looks like. And I'm also thinking about like how I want to post this stuff on Poshmark. Like what are my pictures going to look like of each clothing item? Like how am I going to price things like that. So I'm about to go grab some lunch, and I think when I get back, that's what I'm going to think about. And I'm going to figure out what to do with these hangers. Guys, my aunt made me monogram mask. Crazy, right? Oh, I think it's upside down. I never know. Ooh, these are comfy. She gave me this one. It's like snake. And then this one is camo. And this one's leopard. I will be wearing these all the time. My leasing office stole my trash can to prove a point that you're not supposed to leave your trash can out. Well, after a certain time. It was a mistake. And they charge you $75 as a fine, so. Oh, yeah. Okay, I am not even gonna lie. Once I ate those burgers, game over. I was knocked out. It's literally a brand new day. But I did make a lot of progress. I have 3 of these bins. Hi, Frankie. Here's one that's empty. This one is just like, I still have to actually fill this up with clothes that are in my drawers. But here's one here. And then here's another down here. I also was trying to figure out what to do with like the hangers, because remember I have 1,000. So I have them stacked in my closet now at the top, but that is not going to work long term. So I ordered on Amazon 2 things. First thing is a hanger organizer. It's about $6. I may need 2 of these. I don't know. I'm just going to try out one and see how it works and how it looks. And the second thing I got was a clothing rack. I've always wanted a clothing rack. This one's going to be so cute. I'm going to put it like right when you enter in my home. I can't wait to like style it and all that. Speaking of styling, I need to style and organize my closet. So that's what I'm going to do. And I think I'm done. Then I'm going to set up my Poshmark account. And guys, wish me luck. I hope I can at least make $1 or $2. Oh my God. But yeah, let's get my closet together.
I finally finished my closet. It was so hot in here. I'm like sweating my hair out. Guys, it still looks a mess. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I just think I need a bigger closet. I eliminated so many clothes out of here and it's still crazy. But I have my sweaters over here, blazers, I have pants back there all jumbled up. Like, I need a bigger closet. Coats and jackets here. Here, like lighter jackets, like I don't know what to even describe this as. I'm just thinking how I want a bigger closet. um, Dresses, long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, vest, and skirts. And then my pants are folded in here with some other pants. I think I actually may fold those pants. I have stuff back there and put them in this cubby, and I'm just gonna have to steam them whenever I wear them. But yeah, guys, if anyone has any tips on how to maximize the space in your closet, please let me know. But thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye, guys. Okay, I was just editing this video and I forgot to tell you guys, I have an active giveaway going that lasts until the 1st of the year, January 1st. So you have one more week to participate. I'm giving away a free pair of Apple AirPods. It's open to both US and international folks. Like, please, please try to win these AirPods. I mean, I think that'll be an amazing gift to start off the new year. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the giveaway. I will leave information on how you can join that below in the description box. Okay, bye guys.